我就 click 过的 email 说那个 boss 杜伦巴这个 focus podcast 呢，给你有了第二个嘛呢，第二个的也个得了 shock 了，我得了 multi 呢，multi 我得了multi 了 multi 嘛呢，我没了 shock 的呢，我得爸爸上呢得打吧可能，不个得了阿爸呢不马了呢，不给我娘铺的时候呢，我的杜伦巴了 focus podcast 呢，
co-star 了，
没
的，
没，我的 club 不少的吧，看呢，我在手那个代表完的米了的那 background 节目嘛呢，但是 couple 节目呢。
okay. You may with Moses Wing, the Shana Yambo. Lana le community le ko the year le Manchilu no le yo le the one le do yo ye nickname on nghe na me le young. So go ye let the one no chilu.
chit lu na chit lu a khom ya jela ne
Chit lu ni no ko du le pa yong ho ya bo ne chit lu ni friendly person bo friendly person the blah blah you ta ma pwa ko ya le chi lu o si me chi lu du na
le vai li okay awe lo ne tan all do you the one na
me do you
do you the one ne amma sa jela allah jela ye jela tu mo ne te pya le jela pho
ye the one no all line kwek bang klu kwek bo ko ti le mung nau le ko we the le tan luin klo no bo ko mo shu le plo bo ko mo shu de kwek bo kla no the one no auto no plo the one no plo the one no
basi ya le ne ha tu lo austria de phai li mo na awe ne ha ni chile lo de ne ha le ne ta to pa di le mo na
ye ton Australia le ton kui chi khu 1998 la march la we do ja de wakela do ploku ade do re complon la de khate ya bo complon la ti kan la motherland la mupa dido o play lang ti kan la ma a chono ba ra ya bo ba ra no le ri le kola me hata me chono me ba không thuê mà chơi này lâu bà cả ba ghé gì mà ta phải chơi thì cái liang là lòng khai đi là phá huế thì nó cái nó bộ thu lòng ta là cái thùng là chung thì không là bấy gì ở cái tài chơi ở cái lâu tuy lâu thu ru để ta là ở cái mà chơi này lâu là ở thằng này lòng khai nó lâu sống cái thùng là không lâu tao cũng ở đây lo ya mà
me lo le ne ha thon mo na yi chom le ne te sho de ba ba no le ne ha to to ha ne a ko ne le ne ha le sho class de ba ne de ta ko la ke le no ko o ja
cái thằng sau nó giờ đi cái này mình đã giúp ở cái phú không phú là Williamstown then đó bờ thì đồ qua tu so kunu siya bo cái thằng là mình ya là chết ở chỗ nó khác nó KYO the EQO đấy khác nó all Aqua Australia Korean Welfare Association or Chui Aqua e Oko le Padignemi Agay le Williamstown no Highway Relation la no ye duo ye tong cho no le ko le allow inside da miwa jombo delta tita sui ko anyo ko cream exit mo dai da la no ye ti le che ro me cho ko na ye ma ye do ya me no ba look klein me nathi aracha le accent le khong chen ho bo score green maybe I understand less than 5% at that time.
လဘညောကလလရှော့ကလ
Let's strong. That's 27 years ago.
မဲမဲတော့ခိကဲနေဟဲလောဩစတြေးလျနေနေဒါနိဖိုင်လီမနော်တော့တာလဲနေစင်နော်ဘာလဲနေတော့ဝပူလဲနော်ရှိခါနေအော်မီမီဂျာ
Itai sign lah no ya bo. It's not comparing. Mà bị her long kong nó bộ bachelor had duang or play le kong pe yong peng. Mo plong chong mo plong examination. Ba tong lu upload ke lu ga ya zo win thamai. Moya a cho nó iloru ba malu upload pe yong history. They no mo plong chong. A cho nó had the kind of very much, you know, the operations. The halatia la now a ton la kong klo ma. Wow. You climb flow, climb shang. Those three. You Korean history. Now, mate. Yeah, that's one thing that, you know, I feel very strongly, not regret. Bachelor generation all time long kind, you know, they will suffer battle or money you get complaint. You know, being brainwashed. Yeah, do not that much. You know, try to preserve and maintain is very important.
လဲနေဟဲတီလောဩစတြေးလျနေမနော်နေဟဲတီလောတူထုတ်ခွေခုချခေါ်ခါနေလဲတူနေတလောချော်လဲနောဒီလဲလောဒီနေလဲနောဒီတော့တာတိဝတာကောရခေအိုယာ
Ta had to thought Kali the got two hour for ko aga ye CK le Casey le Victoria ni le hala Williamstown Beach ni. Wow, this is my dream. You know, had to vale haba, but the how beautiful. We do le ha to ma demonstration le camera le wanyo back or back le ko clear ko sir kanivata ma che bo le demonstrate. We do wa lopla udo le ko sir yeah in early 90 aku ni jado le mela kama kam agani bado me u obo le to demonstrate akani yeah fee something, you know, Carol Puanyo on lobby on behalf of suffering per Puanyo Pobo Ahuni. That's something, you know, I really tham mau le gong yambo.
ဘောဒါစရလဲတလက်ခေါပလလချိုပါမနော်နထောချိုမနီလဲလော်လီနဝီလချိုမနီလဲကျနေ
Shamano Yapano Shamote le Delta the moving Yamuno Meplo do young la do your Quagbo Koti La Yamula da Kani Ye Duran le Delta le moving Tonte no Ye Plowna primary school Mula da le Muno no. Con nói với ai Thái Lan, với cái Thái Lan lên đầu giống, your play lên đầu giống nó, thì thao này lên ăn chung thôi nó. They high school, thế ăn chung nó với Thái Pro này lên moving, là in mid 80, 83, 84 nó với Pro down the cheek thôi nó thì với Thái thao này uni là go in say,
me on ha tilo australia ke ne bati le ma la community ma na le community ba khone ni te pya wa ne experience che fo le community ta pita ma se pa
အကျွန်တော်ရဲ့တို့ဖိကိုဖိတိုင်ဖိကိုလာ you know whatever you grab malu ni small thing you know one day it will be useful အပြာနော် complain လည်းရပြအောင်ဘာချလဲဂီတာမာလူလူရောက်လီနေရဲ့နေရော with broken string ဝီရဒူရခဲ့ထုံလေး Australia ဒါ in 2001 Hama Korean Community Project the Footscray Art Center no very successful but my drama throughout that yeah but audience and professional across Melbourne Victoria yeah my piao they no professional drama instructor my 6-month project with a hatang low shang CD le bay le traditional music a jono complon la yet ti chaba all a chu day you know that's something that what I have learned in my childhood and I can use until now a jono that's very firstly they know how my youth project also through music at the Hope Sunday City Council at the Newport Hub next to Newport Station yet another big project they know complete the community minded year to each number yet need you social work chama la yege time ma ba nei ning chi la cloud to do re no yama chala factory la car manufacturer la Toyota company there you kayo you know the right place the right person and very rewarding supply chama la community work
me bo sa si ala fe le ne te le na thlo city ni mo no thlo city ne ta pu nyu odi le lo de na thlo ne le menu wa le mo no
a jono ya tolu ni recording system la I think 25 years ago la ye chla amai koida la chla John Tanyep professional pianist then the away they chassis recording si a jono ye maluni recording system la Logic Audio that time very old model 4.2 version ye maluni le way they la community has thought time pin time no they love music Korean culture project la Footscray Art Center no la thi gang lo ma music productions see they la modern contemporary yeah modern music you know traditional music la nan daisy la medley si la guitar si they on the la pussy la chant si so that we successfully you know produce a CD album they on the chapa you know Australia as a multicultural community we've been supported and on the floor nai to ru a lu hui le yet Thailand nia le ok compayong duong compayong ka you know complong la had do wider mainstream community support trong thui her jono you know this is nia queen ya le pamoba dao floor nai flow shong to ru che khichla that's the main they know around nine let's who got multicultural intergeneration or intercultural. Jono komenayo kekoketa padu.
ဘာမလို့လဲပဝဲပါကညောပိုသေးတဲ့ဖာနေဟောနေဘမျိုးပါလေအဲတဆူတဆမနော် music ပေါ်လေခေါ်ချတဲ့ဖာနေလောလပဟဲလနမှာပဲစီလီဘင်းမနော်လနထလောဝလနေတိဘာတာလအကက်လကဖို့လပပကလကိုရမင်းရလကလူကကလနေဒီတော့ပတရလမလို့တာအိုလာသူအရောကြာ
Anokoru wate la kokle moi kosa moi la kompang moi itaswe la kenyoko. Why Korean people are very gifted, talented in music, in reality. That's the fact. To me, music is not only my hobby, because applauding your generation by generation, play time, manner, kaluga, oppression, almost discriminates. And Chatawa I, Kanrajet, the deep feeling, almost sound unbroken. Family relationships, in family being separated because of the tyranny. And yeah, and from manner yabo. A jono kanraje you a jono. That's the only way why Korean people are good at music. Kanraje you is one powerful way that to express in lyrics. This is how I interpret. Your para piang your kanraje. Applauding your bachelor regard, recognized as good at music. Chatawa you. A jono. That's how the way. We express our pain, our burning inside through music. This became music therapy. That's how I practice too in my daily in my daily well-being, as a self-care. My recording around social media, me puakana, upload naga ada that's how I let myself, relax myself and share my pain with others as music as a tool, as a recovering therapy, and also to respond to the trauma that one of a powerful tool that music can relate it and share with others.
လန်မတ်ကောလကလေးအခေမနော်ဒေါ်လာကလေးလည်းမေလေအတပပကလေးတခလာခဲလေမြူစစ်တဲ့ပါဒေါ်လာပတသဝီလေထလရလာတဲ့ဖာနေမလေနမတာဒီစင်အဆူဒီလေမတသဝီလေထလတဲ့ဖာနေ
That we learn yet how the pano, ara chano upload learn nagari the pano, market hoketa, a luhui, where machon, bachelor had don't that, empathy, sense of empathy, and also sympathy. Empathy is the most powerful word, don't that. A jono. Hey, okay, on that la or her client element may a mata cool may a mata the kaka low in nagada get that mature that I will not like a luga la multicultural society la intercultural around number where we maintain uphold the value Lu Hui le multicultural society ajono suku suri as oneness bachelor get time or her take a call let her play moon do had the one car dado dedo plow man her jono upload a hitchla upload to rule or upload yazwi get time maluai amalua chansita long min tia bayina bapila a jono lam blanc young thang I feel sympathy to myself and last generation to generation a jono yo complon la malu ni nai hwe thi no hwe ba no chen to ono ra lao nai pass on nai to next generation la chalu cha klai mo cha u cha dei mo cha thau li tau thai mo gi they on la multicultural society a noble the harmony days refugees week la interfaith event hali pai ti pai to da ne plong per plo che khichla ti bo that's a jono yeah plo shong a plo thulu ni tia duong ke ko keta le khe su ga mia paduya
พอดีว่าเลยเฮดอลเคติดผ่านมาเราชนะเลยโปรลออสเตรเลียติดผ่านเนี่ยเอาไว้ดีต่อนึกว่าเฮ้ยบ้าซื้อดีละมันเลยตามิวสิกตกป่าเลยมีอะไรตาสู้ตาเชื่อตกป่าเลยคอร์ชตกป่านี่
be lo do as the generation change bo ya do you so lo legado one example pambanati la page otontado as a first second generation mu de padele now o play la compa la kong lo shang ti kong then la now o play la kongchen la de go now o play la Australia a jono proclaim lo shang people decline la now he 3 different world a jono da ikidala per stubborn to keep it in our mindset a jono panati lo da la ko can communicate can work otherwise a jono chakachige communication intergeneration chakachige mo o padu a jono adono yethole chmalo parents and children more party who get to know more pada parents learn different music rhythm different song music style back home get to know that who started running hip hop rap break dance that's how generation change when these two intergeneration put on the floor together, let them dance. And, the young generation dance in their own music style, and the Mupad dance in their own tradition style, and crash on the floor, falling down in, sometimes that's a very accurate example. A jono da, chakachage ola nogi, sometimes like chama pamwegi as a young adult, that's a metron. Yoki on a blanc tone as a breach, breach the transactions. Money anomwe, to touch that one little bit or maybe to, double check. But that's a good way of to acknowledge ourselves ye met ton le bon la ye mo ba ma transactions between the generation intergeneration are not, I think, will be there one day as long as Okion Tha Che, where be sincere and do whatever small from little small thing. You know, we get there slowly.
အမေမနော်ကဲဟောဒီတမ်ငယ်ဖဘန်နော်ပဖိုနော်လီတီတဖာနော်ပတိဖိုတီတဖာဒေါ်လီဟောဒီနေခေါ်ချနေတမျိုးနော်ဟဒေါ်လကလောကလာတမျိုးလေမပါပီပူဟက်ပါလင်းပါဒီတမျိုးအခုနေ clash တာဒီမနော်လောနေဒီတော့လေဒါကျတဲ့ clash ပါတော့ဒီတော့လေပကရှိခပလဘလာနေနေတာဟေကွေးဖာလေအသူဒီကိုအုံမီယာ
Yada chaka chege padu no oe achono bachelor chala ge thonsang ninchi nuine 27 years ago. You know, not more than 50 of us. Achono chaka chege du le me le language they ono the decades after decades. You know, kayo Plaushon community you know, there's a register incorporate community-based organization. Jado your Karuna, with Comfort Care, AKO, and Dodubo. We do faith sector. Jado the low there, where the Tongkapia, the mosque, the Muslim community. Achono gainba o paduya moya de ondo cheki on leda achono tabang de pusta de moya chetuso le mo moabo le mo moa achono che puti puto mo osi achono e okile chaka chege padu de moya achono thong okino do leki yeah no moya her auto do chono chaka chige o moya chaka chige no oko choni lo you know a chono mo ba chong thui you know ma shonje e wonder the next generation the second generation la dunia go back go see moya in Australia Army in police in health and you know medical GP lawyer education this is a very a big you know gratitude in achievement moya achono puti puto ono olo la nau gi per pai chama lang lawyer lang justice system, media, in much shoncha, more the local council, suya, the state suya, the external support agencies, the ajono, in much shoncha no chakachage, you know, we can overcome. I don't see that to point finger, he, she, is this, you know, generation, the young people, these children, this parent, we can overcome together.
ပကလတက်ဒါရအားလဝနေပကတက်ဒါရလနေတာဖီလာမချေဖို့မနော်ကေကေရဘသိရလနမာရမလ foundation house တာဖီလာမ foundation house နေမသိနေတော့တာဖီလာမသိဖာနေမှာမနေလေလောနေတာဖီလာမသိဖာအကက်ဘလပွားကလေးကညောဂေါ်ဒီလေမနော်
Yachmano Kuidala Foundation House established about more than 35 years ago. And Pachamano Chapachama Complon Machan Lo Rela Baka Baget International globally. Victoria Foundation Trauma and Torture Foundation. Achono Adiga Nombo we are lep plow shang wu lep eastern ish some background no ara che but chain state dan trauma torture state ပညာနဲ့အကိုင်းover there aracha me baka bagere count that you in now ma this is the the pain la now per get complon le baka bage the war tone so be a pollution that's exactly relevant ba thui ya bo ba chle tan complon a chadao chya de ondo per long pla dama chati chuo de ondo moon de pa de now mati no do de bo a chuno ch trauma yo long mati always hidden somewhere a chuno ma la be mi mau nine che do de ondo having nightmare even though 30 years 40 years later a chuno ye chmano ba chanli counseling counseling they on la you tweet nine upload baka bage get complon that dunia severe or trauma deal recovery again
လန်တမစေဖာမနော်ဘုဒ္ဓမန်တေအလာချေဘာမနုခလဲဝနေလောပပတ်ဝဘလဘကလဘညာပေါ်ဒီတပခါလဒီလော mental illness mental health ကနော်ဒီโออาดิบามเนาะဒီတော့အရမြအဝတ် popular ဝါသိမှာနော်အမေတမီမီမချုံလောပလူပလူမှာဘာသာဒီလေအလောချောဒီလာတန်ခွဲနေတဲ့ပြချေဖို့
အကျွန်တော်ပအမေဖလို့ရှောင်းမွေကြီးဖလို့ကကံဖလုံးဘကဘာဂေမွေကြီးအဖလို့လဲအ play on ထို့သောမွေကြီး mental health not aracha where depend on how our life journey where a play on to the near mental health thila where la night trauma the dombo mental health la nogi long chong le mai bo met trauma no bo da san ya torture where che ta meta plan where complon la anagun complon la da che teacher sha moegi che ta meta plan moegi le inglai ho no du or le flow ho du ba lo padi le pa upload yo lu ya maya lu li maya ono do lo upload yo status a ono do lo de a che klai la na le inglai ho de maya worry maya anxiety maya stress distress we do depressed maya severe mental ado ya bo maya or le inglai ho no o ye ko lao la now gi le trauma mental health literacy not le plo shang hu go ke malu ang demothia ang ya bo a cho no a chama khwe athi no yeah running psychoeducation the language school there le early learning school le ta chon de get thong tong bo they no l. language school they no le TAFE they like uni a chono her deliver inform the information session they no ma shonja the local health center western health center ma be IPC there they no ma be la origin la youth mental health bo la chi yo de ma shonja they no interstate Australia or bachale counseling le bib foundation house so nationally or la New South Wales the Western the Queensland a jono ma shon che we thino they hachmano always multicultural community chimbai chama phu osi ကျွန်တော်မရှုံးကြဘာချိုင်လေအဲ့ဒါကူအဒါလေ mental health able လေဘာလဘာမခချမနောနမို with the torture and war related torture and trauma recovering ไปချမ
တာချွနော်နေခေခဲနေလဲနေတာမလောနေစမလဲကလဝကလာမင်းရလဲဝကညောကလာတော့တာဆိုလိုစီအိုဂျာ
ချက်တုံးလူနော်မို training ကိုဒါလေ PD နော်မို professional development အော်ကလေလော very very well established organizations you know I'm very privileged you know March by Chamala Foundation House you know marching up you know very rewarding then this is my career you know some marching flow ya bo jono ba chain le PD professional development all HR no away the ralong you know from which country from which nation from which state from which region you know bachelor professional development workshop course practical for example even though like PA public address for example when you talk you know all this when how working with refugees la now lecture they not do le kulawa holo ya bo la now lecture pai chima no ye ho ye ma je le plo shang le se u ga le khong pa yong lo bo ime Sudanese colleagues they know ma je Sudanese community then Congolese then Afghanistan the very multicultural hachma not sector no goidala community capacity building community capacity building department hachma no goida
အဝဲအဒိုဒီတော့လေပကညောစီတဖာမနော်မလိုဝတ်မှချင်တယ်လေစီတမလောနေရလောဘမဝဒီလေမနော်
join up a website or then up a phone number or then le sector jado le IKO we le trust them wegi le karuna them wegi le comfort care palo flyer pamphlet e una le ma de number wherever we go you know we bring around in acknowledge and promote and also hachama le other internal department or all the counselor there ajono away the mashonja the local primary school local secondary school ajono setwe ni lo ajono e lum me lo her dithi they on wherever you know from the informal link is can reach out to phone call email you know like that
နဲ့နခလနေနော်ဆာလဲနေဟဲနေဟဲနခလနေလေဝကညောအိုဝဒါပယဒူအိုဒါအကရရှိတော့တူလေဝကညောအိုခဲဒေါ်ဒူမနော်အဝဲနေနတိဝလေဝကညောစီတဖာနေတတ်တော်လေထောတူခဲနေတူဟာဒီလေမနော်
wow that's my dream that's to see your dacha little adore le reton the second years here 26 years ago ama nei thong not ho pipi la then stayed up pipi la they have a mother the electric guitar totally dozy. I got made her, very motivate. Laga all the ringwood, laga all the epping, because at that time, social now is very united. That's good way. Practice do ba the they don't know night. Her นี่เปล่าช่างเปล่าโอ้ยมองจอละกาเล่าชีเปล่าละอ้อเอาไว้มานี่มุ่งอะไรกันอันนี้ว่าอะไรกันนี่เว้ยมาเลยบักก่อนนี่อันดูบ่ตาช่วยอ่ะบ่เรื่องคุยข้าเนาะไม่อ่ะลาน้อยคุยอ๋อเนาะมาเกี่ยวเดี๋ยวเนาะเท่าเลยในตัวดอกเท่าเลยในตัวเนาะยันน้าวไหนเท่าลีเต้าข้าเนาะมองจอละกันเนาะเท่าลีลีใหญ่อะสาวกีตาร์เฟร์ดิกีตาร์เฟร์ก็กูอัพแล้วฟื้นอดมบ่แต่ช่วงthat's 26 years ago จอเนาะ stay with people make things happen and even this look my hand got I got injured that's I displaced from practice
the same day
Yeah. This one stayed like this. Yeah. I displaced my joint here as a memory. Jono, yabo. We try very best and happy in mama. We okay to me. Whether I think do it's good to belong young generation along me. And they are more capable of anything. ถ้าช่องผู้ลีเดดูแต่ละน้อยเดไม่ยอมโค้ด for our role what we can breach. The transactions. Jono give opinion, advice. Wait, ma kung ma gion. Jono the Kasunya community, the Plaushanwu community, we surely grow more. Yeah. So I'm very, very pleased that what Plaushanwu actually totally taught in 30 years, roughly 30 years. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. No, tablo do malan hi bata shak to mo no. Lo lucky ne awe ne lo kwala sit pha ko de bo da he ba su min mya awe give advice to be ya mo no.
The community project ni ye time ma shonche de Plotasha Karuno, the former leaders get time care tauku la tapachapu they not administration gather le pucha gather lo pu do la pu siwa la pu ting pu tauku tingwe a jono you get time malua ama bachane flow apya history they no adi lot town lucha klein get ko get that la ye go ado cha do pu siwa the clue party boa ele interview a will law where had do it heku boa puta oti young generation get up wa nyoni padu lo pata madul padu lo pata tu le pwa pa ke la ba we do du pe me pwa nyoni pa chilo that too humble or too underestimate pa chilo pata tu la pwa ke pa ke le it's very be yourself be true to yourself. I think that's very powerful. We are to aware that putting way. Aware apa ni hekima tawa chalo ti taswi iloda amuteo ukwa 19 years old napa hilon ta namba pono napa tama nakaba pounder napa lotion as a place ma a jono who tingwe how le anasa la au le ma ka cha anasa philang ata le plo shong ti ke liang ta pa sa we do du me ya ni e do he ku he ba ta do le ko ti te temi yogi me maloni ta che te mwe dugi chi dugi pigi maluni where Merlini, it will be useful. This is what, yeah, and may not employ okita che, just be sincere to yourself. Okita che deal much ma in react to, but firstly, be sincere. Okita che deal ma ajo mo get that le mai la. They will not be a useful piece or effort. Le mai no le pe yang loi da win pa da ma phisi ne pa win da phisi ba. That's two different. Win pa ne pa win. Win pa me force yourself. I can do it. Let me. Me. In some way good. Not always. Win pa win me, be a part of, participate. That's different. So that's as much as to, but not to be too extremely humble and underestimate yourself, as Pusewa said, until somebody, step on you, on your head. Yeah, that's get that. People lose a client. And get that let you go on though. Then you do be right long time. Yeah, not feeble in how I exercising practice became a good daily tool for me.
ตาลุมาเนาะสิลบานาเลเนี่ยว่าตาขวตายาเลเปเตสกอราเคมาเนาะดอปสิญาเลคือกันเนี่ยกเดปยาดาแล้วก็ซาอุยาดาเนาะดอปสิลวาสิกอปากวาราฟกวาเดเลสิเฮตาชตอเลสิกวาดายาเลเปตีเปเตสกอมาเนาะเปเตดิเอาไว้ยเตเลชอเวเตเลฟลอนาเอาไว้ดิชมสิดิกนับปละมาเนาะเปนับปะดิสิจักดาเลฟาเลนับปะจิมาเนาะดอเอาไว้แค่นี้le we alok ki de mo no pa ke sa ga le pa ta da ke le pa tu mo no me w do ma do tu da kwa alo we pa ta product le pho le pa ma we no tu le phoku te website YouTube la Facebook channel ti wa lo no w pa do